I'm gonna take these fender wannabe flare cover mud flaps off, and gonna sand the bottom of this bed in a couple of places and clean up some of this like very light surface rust, and I'm gonna paint the underside of this bed. Let's get Japanese style drill bit, also known as number 4. I have this one tiny dent in the corner. It doesn't look like something hit it. It looked like it maybe they went up a hill and it got hooked on something and it like pinched the back. And it had a little bit of rust on it, so I just whizzed that off, and I'm gonna try to bang it back into shape. It may never be perfect, but I think once the body kit goes on, I don't think you'll see this corner anyway, so. Well, I fixed that spot. It's almost perfect. It'd be great for primer and paint. Then I realized that the body shape, the corner shape, is really strange. So I'm gonna show you that. Hopefully that was wind. I don't know if you could hear that or not. It sounded like a bear trying to get in. But I'll show you this corner shape, and then, shit, maybe you guys need to tell me what to do. I'm gonna get a block of wood and see if I can straighten it out, but there's probably a better way. I don't know what it is though. Just take you guys off here. I don't know how well you can see this, but it's kind of like maybe it got pushed in a little bit, or maybe that whole corner getting pulled out up here caused this weirdness. But basically, it looks like this whole side needs to go in just a little bit, or maybe just this piece. I'm not sure. Maybe the body shop needs to fix that. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna give it a hell of a shot. You can see this side. It goes in, but it's with the contour of the body. It all looks pretty normal. I'll show you this side again. Pretty rough. So I guess I will spend some time working on that before I start painting. It's not perfect, but only you guys will know that it's there, and me. I think once you paint that, you won't even be able to see it anymore. So I think it's good to go finish getting the rest of the surface rust off of these back edges and stuff, and then lay down some primer. All right, guys, I'm gonna paint this bed
I was just gonna paint it black, but I'm gonna paint it red. The same color that I want the truck to be. Probably not gonna paint the truck, but I am gonna paint the bed. I'm gonna paint the underside the color that I want. I'm probably gonna clear coat it just to see what it would look like. And then I'm gonna just paint that little strip around the outside of the bed the color that I like. And then I'll probably take it somewhere. If you guys want to see me paint a whole truck, let me know. I'll paint the whole truck. I really don't want to though. See if we can make a mess. There's got to be a better way. You can't see it, but it's pretty.
Thanks, Buggy. See, probably can't see it, but it melted a little. Not bad. Okay. Best one, which is my favorite. Hold on, let me get you there. Huh? This is casualty number 2, which is from the plasma cutter. It cuts very well. And that thing that's okay. That just means he needs new. That's the rule. And cut. It's done.
Yay.
Ish.
Done-ish.
Most part-ish.
Yeah.
We did it.
It's drivable, and thank you, heater, for shutting off. We do need to adjust the rear of the bed up a little. You can tell there's like just the fitment is perfect. So we need to adjust it up just a little bit. The front's probably just a smidge high, but it doesn't rub anymore. So I think I'll probably leave it. It's only 3/4 of an inch off the tire or whatever. And the back is like way close. But it's ready to go spin around the track. So now next we're gonna go see if we can find some exhaust for it. Mm-hmm. Thanks for watching our drift build, and that 4-link is done. So next will be exhaust, and then
Paint.
big turbo paint.
Well, we need
Probably paint.
body things. What are those things called?
Oh, body kit?
Body kit.
Yeah.
Yep.
We need a body kit. Mm-hmm. If you're in Japan and you know where there's a body kit for Suzukicarry DA52T, hit me up on Facebook and we'll work something out. Otherwise, I'm going to try to get the K-brake kit. It says they're still for sale, but I don't know. It's hard to really understand their websites too much. So if you see one or you know one, call me. Thanks, guys.